Hi, this is Krishna Merchant, and welcome to From the Newsroom. We have with us today Shally Seth Mohile for her story on the auto sector. The Maruti Suzuki Limited is able to maintain market share even in a slowing economy. So, hi, Shally. Yeah, that is quite remarkable that even in the slowdown where growth rate is below 5% and the Society of Indian Automobile numbers showing that car sales are falling month on month, bearing the previous month, Maruti Suzuki has done a great job at increasing the market share. Can you explain to us what is the market share and how it has been able to do that?
Yeah, that's correct. As a matter of fact, what we've done is we have analyzed companies' market share for the last 13 years, and interestingly, there is a inverse correlation which comes out as a result of this analysis. So, at least 8 out of these 13 years, Maruti has seen its share fall when the market expands, and vice versa. So in years when the industry has done poorly, has been struggling to sell cars, that those are the years when Maruti has done exceptionally well. The recent example can be cited of for the current year, the 11 months of the current financial year, the industry is down by some 5.9%. It is expected to end the year with a decline of 5.9%, but Maruti is likely to increase its market share at least by 300 basis point. They plan to, it will come up to something close to 42%. And even in the past, even in 2010, the company showed a trend which is very counterintuitive. So that was the time when the industry really saw the numbers were very brisk. In 2010, the passenger vehicle market went up by 25%. That was the year when Maruti lost market share. That was primarily because of entrance of newer models. As many as 4 to 5 new models in the small car segment were launched in that particular year. And a natural corollary to that was the fact that Maruti shed market share.
So, Shelley, this time around, it seems that the market share is coming from the small car segment. Can you tell us why the small car segment is doing so well while other car manufacturers continue to launch new cars to attract customers?
That's correct. I mean, that's one of the stronger points that has been one of the mainstays for the company. And year on year, we have seen the company, consolidating its position in the small car market. So whenever there's a new launch in the small car market, we do see the company share wavering a bit, but they are able to recoup the market share as soon as the phase from the new launch dies down. In 2010 as well, we saw the Ford Figo and the Chevrolet Beat and several other models trying to, get an entry into the small car market. But none of these companies have been able to have seen a sustained volume run. And that's one of the reasons why, and as a matter of fact, if you analyze the last 7 years data, the rate of success as far as small car launches are concerned, Maruti and Hyundai, they lead the pack. The rate of success is as much as 89% compared to other manufacturers for whom the success rate is 18%.
So, Shelly, are we seeing such a trend in any other segment in the automobile industry, like two wheelers or three wheelers or trucks or anything, where you're seeing a similar trend?
Yeah, I mean, as a matter of fact, experts believe that one of the reasons why people continue to buy into Maruti cars even in a slow market is the fact that people want to go with tried and tested. The risk appetite goes down relatively. As a result, they continue to remain with a model and with a brand that they know for a fact that is proven and is not going to do it is kind of trustworthy. And we have seen people have this tendency to downtrade. We have seen this particular trend in motorcycles, for example. The sale of entry level motorcycle, it has grown some 4% in the 11 months to the current fiscal, whereas the 125cc and above segments, they have seen either a decline or a stagnancy in the sales. So the tendency to downtrade is that exists across the product categories, not only in automobiles but even in other consumables like chocolates and biscuits.
So thanks, Shelley. Yes, in a slowing economy, Maruti is able to maintain its market share as customers do become risk averse. That is all for today. Do stay tuned to livemint.com for more updates.